Hey, what's going on, guys? Joe Burgess here. Welcome back to my channel. Um, Today I'm going to tell you the value of the Braun Harbor Freight light kit here. Um, Comes with all kinds of attachments, and I'm doing a diag outside, trying to locate a leak on 2010 Ford Focus out there, and we're just trying to figure out where it's leaking from. So, like I said, I've used this kit once or twice, and I have to say it's very good. Nice, easy setup here. Nice snap up setup. It's pretty nice. Um, Good lighting, you know. But let me show you why. I'm gonna take these three out with me, and I'll leave the case here. But let me show you what I found here. Customers have been saying they've been putting a lot of power steering fluid in there. It hasn't been leaking up here. So I try to look in various spots. It's pretty dry in a lot of locations, but the lines are really what's leaking here. And they go down and underneath this whole unit here. So I'm going to go around the other side, show you what I found. Alright, we got the car up here. I don't know if you guys can see this, but you will in a second once I turn this light on. So, it's very wet in here, as you can see. All kinds of spots. And up around the rack, same thing. Around the boot, but you know what? It's actually right above the boot, so it's right there. So that's pretty much how I end up pinpointing that. First I used the fold-up light, but then I went to the regular flashlight, and like I said, there's a bend in the line, and that's actually has a holder below it, and that's where it's actually leaking down from. So it's getting up and around here, all down around the subframe. So yeah, we're leaking a lot of power steering fluid in. She said she's been filling it a lot, and I can tell just by the amount of fluid here. So this actually helped me out nice. But let me actually change attachments here real quick while I have it here. So I'm gonna put the other one on, the bend light, and that snaps. See now, all one-handed operation. Now see, I'm gonna get us up in there. Let's see if I can get in there a little bit better. So right about where the 4 tag is. That's right in the bend, and that's actually where it's leaking from. I had the car on a few minutes ago. But what I love about this light is you can see up and through, and you can see all different spots. And for a technician, that's pretty nice because you can find and pinpoint leaks pretty good. So let me just bring this down, and let me show you again. Right up and through here, and you can tell in through here it's leaking all around the subframe. And like I said, this light here, very, very good tool for a technician to have. Especially with this bendable light here. I've seen these before, all different applications, but this is the first time I've seen different attachments, you know, when this first came out, and good on them. This is a great technician tool. I highly recommend it. I'd probably say if I had a top 5, this would definitely be up in the top 5, because it's just so much easier to see up in here, and then when you start putting the other attachments on, It actually helps out pretty nicely. So alright guys, I'm going to leave it here, and just let you know how everything goes at the end of the job. But yep, great little handy tool, and I highly recommend it. So I'll see you guys all in the next video. See ya.